There are many corners to be explored on this fine brown land of ours, and you know that preparation is key to surviving whatever challenges the open road throws at you. You learn to expect the unexpected and never take anything for granted. Like you, ours is a story born from personal experience that has forged a strong history of keeping Australians safe for more than 30 years. Take peace of mind on your next adventure with quality first aid kits and accessories that are tough, durable, compact, easy to access for emergencies, and keep contents clean and dry. The perfect on-road companion from Australia's leading first aid innovators.